I bet you didn't know that by 2025, artificial intelligence is projected to manage trillions of dollars in assets. This is not science fiction. It's the reality we are living in. AI is changing the financial landscape as we know it, creating unprecedented opportunities for wealth generation. We are witnessing a paradigm shift, a revolution where intelligent algorithms are not just tools, but partners in our financial journeys. This isn't about replacing human intuition, it's about amplifying it. Imagine having access to an intelligent system that can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and predict market trends with remarkable accuracy. What if this system could then provide you with personalized financial advice tailored to your unique goals and risk tolerance? This is the promise of KLING Ai. What do you think of KLING AI? Let's discuss. KLING Ai is not just another financial app. It's your personalized AI-powered financial advisor. It leverages the power of machine learning and predictive analytics to help you make smarter investment decisions. KLING Ai takes into account your financial goals, risk appetite, and market trends to generate customized investment strategies. Think of KLING Ai as your own personal financial expert, available 24/7 to guide you on your path to financial freedom. It empowers you with the knowledge and insights needed to navigate the complexities of the financial markets. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, KLING Ai can help you achieve your financial aspirations. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on how KLING Ai can transform your financial future. Let's face it, managing finances can be daunting. Traditional methods of wealth generation, like relying solely on savings accounts or following generic investment advice, are often insufficient in today's dynamic economic climate. Interest rates on savings accounts barely keep pace with inflation, and picking stocks based on gut feeling can be risky. Many people lack access to qualified financial advisors who often require high minimum investments. This leaves a significant portion of the population without personalized guidance, struggling to make their money work for them. KLING Ai bridges this gap, making sophisticated financial expertise accessible to everyone. At its core, KLING Ai is a sophisticated blend of cutting-edge technologies. It utilizes machine learning algorithms to analyze vast data sets of financial information, identifying patterns and trends that would be impossible for humans to process manually. This data-driven approach allows KLING Ai to adapt to changing market conditions and make dynamic investment recommendations. One of KLING Ai's key features is its ability to assess risk tolerance. It asks you a series of questions to understand your comfort level with different investment strategies. Based on your responses, KLING Ai tailors its recommendations to match your risk profile, ensuring that you're never investing in something that keeps you up at night.